Let's learn 5 phrasal verbs with leave. Firstly, leave against. This means to place an object touching another object. For example, someone's left their bike against the fence. Next is leave for. This means to exit to go to a place. For example, class, we are leaving for the trip in 5 minutes. Leave next to. This means to place an object beside another object. For example, leave the plants next to the steps. I'll sort them out later. Leave out. This means to omit, forget, or exclude someone or something. For example, they always leave me out. And finally, leave under. This means to place an object beneath another object to be found. For example, I'll leave the key under the plant pot in case you need to get in. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more phrasal verbs.